Hello everyone, my name is Sai Komineni. I'm here to share my experience with you with my laser plastic surgery at Dr. Gulani Vision Institute. Before coming to Dr. Gulani Vision Institute, I visited so many other LASIK professionals throughout the nation and haven't found any good outcome through those visits. Everyone told me the same reason. I have irregular astigmatism and I have thin corneas, so I'm not the right candidate for performing the laser surgeries or PRK of any kind of PRK or vision surgeries. So I recently moved to Jacksonville, so my colleagues and my friends told me to visit Dr. Gulani. He has a special procedure called laser plastic. He invented this procedure and he developed this procedure only for the candidates, especially for the candidates like myself who has thin corneas and irregular astigmatism. So I didn't believe it at the first sight. I was thinking, okay, just give it a shot. Maybe I will be getting the same outcome. They will be saying I'm not a right candidate. But when I first came to this institute, the Dr. Gulani Vision Institute, I felt like I'm coming somewhere to a close family member. So the whole staff and Dr. Gulani was so welcoming. They were treating me like a special candidate, a special person in their family. So they did some tests and they found that I'm suitable for their laser plastic surgery, which is no cut, no blade surgery. So I agreed to this procedure. The good thing is during this entire procedure, which took only like 10 minutes, there was no pain throughout the procedure, and during the healing process you won't be feeling any pain at all. You will be feeling some uncomfortable in your eyes, but the overall healing process is good. The whole staff and Dr. Gulani will personally watching you. They will be contacting you every day to see how you're doing, and they will be following up with you. The other thing I would like to mention, during my healing process, I have accidentally rubbed my left eye, which resulted in disturbing the whole new layer over the cornea. So I was very scared that I may be losing vision on my left eye. So I came to Dr. Gulani the next moment the accident happened. So I was thinking maybe he will be blaming me, saying that it's my fault or something, but I didn't hear anything like that. He just he was taking care of me like his own brother, which is I was really surprised by that kind of feeling. The overall healing process was quite good for me. It took me some extra days because I rubbed my left eye. Apart from that, there was no pain for me at all. And currently I'm sitting here without any glasses. I'm seeing beyond 20/20. I just had my vision exam today and I found that I had beyond 20/20 and my eyes are really fine. No sign of any surgery, no cut or no blade. As I told you, this laser plastic is a unique technique which you will not find anywhere in this whole world, I believe. You can Google search or whatever you can, but I can assure you cannot find this kind of procedure. This is something you will find only at Dr. Gulani Vision Institute. So if you were said that you are not a right candidate because of those thin corneas and irregular astigmatism, I would highly suggest you to come and visit Dr. Gulani Vision Institute, and you will not be disappointed with the outcome. You will be surprised how you can see without the glasses. Dr. Gulani is really changing lives of so many people like me who was said I'm not a right candidate for a laser procedure. Thank you so much.